Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change paper size in InDesign with content. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. Now you want to change the paper size. At first, go to the file menu. Select the document setup option. Otherwise, you can open the document setup option using the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl Alt and P on your keyboard. Now we want to change the paper size. Click the page size drop down menu and we can see here many options. Now I am select this later option. Then we can see here the preview option. You can enable this, otherwise you can disable this. Now I am click this OK option. Now you can see we change the paper size with content very easily. The content size is not disturbed here or destroyed here. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.